If your video needs a photo overlay and you are using CapCut, this is the simplest way to add a photo. So first you have to open up CapCut and from the edit section, go to new project. So here you have to choose the video where you just want to add the photo. Now hit on add. Your video is now on the timeline. Next go to overlay section and tap add overlay. Now choose the photo you just want to add and tap add. Now you will see the photo appear on the top of your video. Just resize and move the photo to the position where you just want it to appear. You can also rotate, duplicate, or delete the photo if needed. So if you want the photo to stay for the whole video, just drag the edge of the overlay so it covers the entire timeline. Now to make it look more natural, you can remove the background of the photo, select the photo overlay, and swipe left in the menu. Now go for remove background and then choose auto removal. And see CapCut will remove the background automatically. So once everything looks perfect, tap export. Now check the video from the gallery and see how it actually looks. It looks amazing. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tricks. Thanks for your time.